Accessory power cable. Package dimensions: 24. 4hx7. 1lx23. 4w centimeters. Package weight: 0. 295 kilograms. Country of origin: Mexico. Power cable SAD face 4-pin Conn to 4 bare wires for power in, power control bus and external alarm, 2 meters, 6.5 feet. Top reviews from the United States. Replacement for a second-hand GPS. 5 stars. Bought this for my GPS that had a cable that didn't screw in right. Had a pile of issues. Replaced cable this one. Everything worked like a boss. If you need a replacement cable, this is the best for the price. Grab it. 5 stars. Order was as described.